Hello everybody, it's my Macy's beauty box. That's right, it just arrived and I'm going to get it ready. I'm not sure when you're gonna see it, but if you haven't seen anybody's yet, it could be the first one. I can't believe how fast it came. They just sent me my shipping notice on Friday and I got it today, Monday. So hopefully you'll be able to see it on Tuesday. But we're going to open this up, and as I always tell you, the Macy box just kind of falls apart once you open it up, but you can repurpose it. And we've got lots of goodies in here in a little pink package. And the Macy's beauty box is $15, so it's very affordable. And we're going to have a takeover box this month. And I'm so excited, and we do get a coupon, and if you want to use that, let me know. And we got our pink paper, and we have a takeover of Clinique. Anyways, it's $15 a month, so it's very affordable, and we have a takeover this month, and it is with Clinique. So I'm so excited. Clinique used to be my go-to cleanser and moisturizer when I got adult acne when I was around, I want to say before 30, so I want to say around 28 or 29. And it was very embarrassing, and I had to go and switch everything that I was doing because it needed to be non-comedogenic. And anyways, it was just something else is all I have to say about that. But Clinique was a good product, and I used it for years. So I know it can be a great, great box. Now, they always give us the beauty box, kind of like the edit, I think, for next month. So sign up by 11/15 for the next month's beauty box, which would be December. And it's $15, and next month will be pampering picks to prep you for the holiday party circuit. And then they just show a few little things there, but I see that high heel there. That means that is some Carolina Herrera and that wonderful scent that I just got, and I can't even think what it is. It's Good Girl, Very Good Girl Elixir. I wonder if that's the one. And it shows some other things there, but I don't know if I can really see them. So anyways, they're going to tell us a few things that we're going to get next month. Is going to be Smashbox. We're going to get some Elements, it looks like, next month, in case you want to know. Kate Somerville. So we're going to get some good things next month. And yes, we're going to get Carolina Herrera Good Girl Eau Parfum Spray, 5 ounce. Wow. Well, that's the full size. I wish we'd get that. But we're going to get a little sample. So that'll be really cool. All right. Well, they just got me all excited. Now, I would be real happy to have that for $15, wouldn't you? Okay. The previous box is our Clinique, the box that I'm going to be showing you, and I have all these items in front of me. And one thing that they're showing us right off the bat is a liner, and I think that's what this is. Quickliner for Eyes Intense Stylo Dressing. So let's see what this looks like. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a black. It's intense black, so it's a black eyeliner. And it's in their Clinique green looking flowery packaging, which is very nice. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to mark it because, I mean, it is a black. And I may decide to put this in a giveaway because I do have several Clinique liners. So we'll see. But that's very, very nice. So it's in black and it's going to twist up. Now, if you was to buy that as a full size, the cost would be $28, which is right on target for most of them. 28 to 35. I think Estee Lauder now is around 32 or 33. They just keep going up. Now the next thing that we're going to have is called All About Eyes. And I think that's what this is. Yes, All About Eyes. It's an eye cream with vitamin C. And I will say Clinique has a great skincare line. So if you like Clinique, it would be one that I think you would be real happy with. And this here is their eye care. And I'm going to go ahead and try this because I'm pretty sure, you know, with Clinique, you can see how creamy that is. And I'm just going to tap it around my eyes. I do want to tell y'all that I've been using the regenerative knockoff brand that I got from Dollar Tree. And I used it on my eyes today. And again, I don't have any problem with it. It seems to be working very well. And this is very nice. It doesn't really have a scent, which is probably why my dermatologist referred me to Clinique when I had a skincare problem. So this is very good, like that. And if you were to purchase a full size, and I think that's a pretty good size, it would cost you $39 for 0.05 ounce. So that would be the cost of that. Then the next thing that we got was All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap. Yes, we got this. Guys, I'm not kidding. I have the big bottle that's this big, and I've had it for years, and it's still there, and it actually is still good. So, I mean, this product lasts a long, long time. And this is a cleanser, and I don't know what size mine would be. If you got this full size, just in a regular size, not a giant like I have, it'd be $28. So it's very good. I will say their cleanser is very nice. It cleanses it. It doesn't leave it tacky feeling or anything, and it doesn't dry your skin out. So this is a very good cleanser, and this is perfect for travel. All of this would be a perfect travel gift or a perfect travel product. Now the next thing we got was some volumizing mascara. And if you was to buy this full size, it'd be $27. And this is in black, and it says it's volumizing, so maybe we'll just try it out, see if it volumizes any. That's on that side. Might have a little bit. Let's see about the other side. Yeah, I think it did. So, you know, another good mascara that I can try out. I'm sure I have one of these somewhere around the house, but or in my bathroom or in my makeup. I got way too much. Now I will say that I don't think we're getting, because we're getting all these products, I don't think we're getting like a bonus product, because it was completely just Clinique and I didn't see any bonus. Sometimes we get a bonus full size, and our full size could have been that liner. I don't know if they consider that full size or not. Maybe. And if it is, that's a $28 value for 15 bucks. You get your money's worth. Now, Moisture Surge. I'm just going to tell you that I have purchased this several times, and even in the recent years. This works. It's really, really nice. It does give you that 100 H2O, so to speak, replacement for up to 72 hours, I think. And oh my goodness, a 1.7 ounce of this now is $47. And I think Clinique was one of the first ones to come out with this surge as far as moisture surge to your skin. So they were right on top of that. And I don't know if my lighting's bad in here. It might be. It's starting to get dark because, you know, time changed. But that is my Clinique box and from Macy's, and I think it was a very, very good box. We got our eye cream, which is very nice, and I love the way that feels. I'll use that. We got the Moisture Surge, and if you haven't seen the Moisture Surge, let me see if it's sealed. Nope. That's what it looks like. And what you do is you just put this in the palms of your hands, and you can actually surge your moisture during the day or any time, just like I'm doing right now, and just pat it on, and give yourself a little surge of moisture. And it's kind of like I've told y'all, you can use hyaluronic acid. You can do that to draw in more moisture. And you can do that with this Moisture Surge as well. Very, very nice. And I can't say anything bad about the cleanser because I have the giant size, so I know it works well. And then the liners work really good too. I have liners and I have lip liners with Clinique. And I don't know for sure what I'll do with this yet, but I'm happy with my box. I think this is a great purchase. So if you're interested, it's $15 a month. If you purchase by 11/15, you will be able to get the December box, which is going to have some nice little goodies in it. And it's going to have that Carolina perfume that we were just talking about a while ago and some other goodies. Anyways, and I had already given you a few of those that's going to be in there next month, so be sure and get in on that. Now, that's all I have for my Macy's box today. Be sure and use an orange heart or a turkey emoji if you are entering the Jubilee for this month. And Mass Monday, of course, was yesterday, and I announced the winners for the October Jubilee. And next Monday, I will show you the prizes, weeks 1 and 2, for the Jubilee. Next week, I can't believe we're in November. Man, it is just flying by time, that is. Whoosh! It is on its way and out the door, and we're going to be seeing 2026 before we can, probably before we can even say it, but not quite. But anyways, guys, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.